Hey folks, Billy T Garden in the kitchen. This time we're going to make Reese's cups. That's right, we're going to make us some homemade Reese's cups. So buckle in, tune in, please subscribe, like, share, comment, follow, and let's get into this. Show you what we got. It's so simple. Here we go. Okay, first of all, let me show you how to grind up. This is nothing more than graham crackers. That's all it is. It's the easiest way, besides a food processor that I don't have. And you know, we do everything by hand from scratch here on T Gardens in the kitchen. And that's what makes it fun. Did you guys try my peanut butter chocolate Rice Krispie peanut butter Rice Krispie treats? A lot of words there. Try them. You'll love them. This is all we do to grind up. Easiest way to do it by hand. And we want about a cup of this. These are so, instead of buying these from now on, make them. Because we're going to show you how. You can make these smooth or crunchy. Smooth, we don't use the graham crackers. This is like a Take 5 or something, which I love. This is getting there. It looks pretty good. Okay, it looks pretty good. Okay, now let's see if we got a cup of this. Let's see what we got here. Should be about a cup. That was 6. Yeah. 6. About 6 pieces or bars or whatever of graham crackers is a cup. So we got that. Then we're going to put in our peanut butter. Okay, our confectioner sugar. And our butter. And we're going to heat this so we can blend it up. So go to the microwave. Okay. I actually put that in the wrong bowl. I wanted that in this bowl because I want my chocolate in the glass one. Now, okay, now we're going to get out our beaters. And beat this. Beat it. Just beat it. Okay. Now I'm going to take my chocolate chips, put them in a bowl, and I want about 2 tablespoons of regular peanut butter in here. In here, in our center, we have crunchy peanut butter. And in here, we are using smooth peanut butter. Okay. Now, we're going to microwave this at about 15-second intervals till we're melted. Okay. Now, we got that mixed pretty good. I have some cupcake bottoms, and I just cut them down. That's all I've done. And I want to take and put chocolate in the bottoms of each one of these, which would probably work best with my baster brush. We just want enough to cover the bottom is all. Just enough to cover the bottom up. And that's about it. Go through each one of these. It's not like we're the Reese's factory, so we're going to be a little bit slower, of course. 6 at a time. There we go. Make sure we got our walls of all these. Let's see here. I think this would be easier to do holding it in my hand rather than. And after we get these done, we've got to put this in the refrigerator and let this cool down for 10-15 minutes. Then we'll put in our peanut butter filling and then our top. What is the hardest part of making anything, folks? The waiting time. You got it. The waiting time to taste it. Okay, that looks pretty good. And make sure the bottoms are in all these. Okay, there we go. We have them in there. Now we're going to put this in the refrigerator and let it cool. Off we go to the refrigerator. Is that? I don't think that was. Yeah, it is. All the way down in there. Yeah, it is. Okay. Off to the refrigerator. Now, once that cools, we'll be back for step 2. So don't go nowhere, folks. I'll be back. Okay, folks. Now, our chocolate's good and hard. Now, we're going to put us a dollop of peanut butter in each one of these. Like so. Want it not all the way full, not completely. Make sure we have enough room on our sides for more. Or chocolate. Like so. There we go, folks. There's our 6 of 6. Now we will go back to the refrigerator, like I said, and chill again. So once that gets good and chilled, we'll be back again. Now, folks, I've already started. Now I'm just pulling them out and topping them with more chocolate. And you could put peanuts on them or whatever you want to do. As I said before, go wild. Make it your own. And once we get these topped off, We'll start all over. This is actually the quicker part of it. Now, truth being, I have made peanut butter bars, but this is actually the first time of making Reese's cups. Same thing pretty much. But just because they're made different, well, it probably tastes different. And we'll put these in the refrigerator. And as usual, when we're done, we'll pull them out and show you what we've got. Get this last one done. There is 6 of our Reese's cups. Okay, folks, here's one of our Reese's cups. Oh, look at that. Just like a Reese's cup. Tastes even better. Got about 15 of these to eat. You figure $2.50 a package. I think it's well worth it to make your own. Just costs you a little bit of time. And they are so good, I'm telling you. Got a little bit of crunch, like say, like a Take 5. So good. So anyways, folks, thank y'all so much for watching. I appreciate y'all. Tune in next time to see what we got going on. What will it be? Who knows? Thank y'all. Love y'all. Take care. Till next time, this has been Billy T. Garden in the kitchen. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, follow. Love ya. See ya.